Position the shower unit where the controls are at a convenient height for the user. Consider that the shower head should be positioned so that the water sprays in line with the bath or across the opening of a shower cubicle. Install the pipework, making sure that it's set at 150 mm apart and solidly fixed. Finish the wall surface and attach the offset connectors. They must protrude between 40 and 43 mm from the finished wall. Apply silicone sealant to the gap. Then tighten the offset connectors using a suitable spanner. Make sure that the connectors are level and set at the correct distance apart. Screw the concealing plates onto the offset connectors until they come into contact with the wall. Flush the water supplies thoroughly before attaching the shower unit. Be sure to install the manufacturer's supplied sealing washers in each inlet of the shower unit and attach the unit to the offset connectors. Avoid damage to the chrome surfaces when tightening the connectors. Pressurize the shower unit and check all connections for leaks. Combine the slide bar assembly consisting of slide bar support, hose retaining ring, clamp bracket, and finally the second slide bar support. Secure both slide bar supports to the slide rail by tightening the screw on the inside of the slide bar supports. Offer up the slide bar assembly to the wall and mark the positions for the slide bar support mounts. Drill holes using an 8mm drill bit. Using the wall plugs and screws provided, fix both slide bar support mounts to the wall. Slot the slide bar assembly onto the mounts and fix in place by tightening the screws on the slide bar supports with an Allen key. One's located under the lower support and the other is located above the higher support. Push the slide bar caps onto each end of the slide bar. Making sure that the rubber washers are present at both ends of the hose, attach the hose and shower head.